Hi, here you have the tweet that crashed Ripple. I'm going to read it, posted in real time on Twitter. We strongly suggest that you start investing $200 million selling short Ripple. The price? While everyone is buying, the crash will be amazing. At that time, no one believed that Ripple, the cryptocurrency, was going to crash. We did it in every single cryptocurrency, predicting every single move. 2 weeks later, you had hit this in real time for those that they installed the free app, where you have access to cryptocurrencies trading as well as stocks and so on. 0.888 stockmarketlive.tv, our artificially intelligent algorithm posted in real time to the app. Thank you and congratulations.